Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in first video, I have showed you like why MongoDB and why it is more scalable or more useful or more faster than SQL databases. In this video, I'm going to explore the MongoDB website and I want to do few installations. So how to install MongoDBs and its server and Mongo shell. So those things I will cover in this video. So before going to start, so I'll tell you like what are the things required. Okay, I'm opening a new paint. So what are the things required is first of all you need to install MongoDB installations. MongoDB installations. There are so many things in MongoDB we need to install. So first of all we need a database server. Okay. So in SQL databases you might know, right? You need to just install the MySQL workbench or any of the MySQL. Okay. Including Apache server, so it will work. But in Mongo database, you need several installations for a few things. So that I'll describe in this video. And in this machine, I do not have MongoDB available. So I'm going to install all the packages and all the useful tools from MongoDB website. Okay. So first of all, we need to install DB server. Okay. So basically, it is MongoDB server number one. Number two, we need to install Mongo shell, and then we need to install number three, which is GUI. Okay, GUI means nothing but a interface which is called I forgot the name. Let me see what are the resources are available or products. So that is called Compass. Okay, Compass GUI Compass. Along with that, I need to install Atlas Atlas shell or Atlas Explorer. Okay, Atlas shell or Atlas Explorer. So what is Atlas and how to install that Atlas shell? That I'll tell you. Okay, so first of all, let me install these things. Okay, so first of all, the thing is MongoDB server. Okay, MongoDB server. This thing. Okay, so this is the main server. Okay, so for that I need to go to MongoDB website. So that is already opened. You can see like I have already opened. And if you open the website, so this is the landing page. And to installation you have to go to products. You have to click on products. So there are so many products, guys. You can see like Atlas, it has database search, vector search, system stream processing, enterprise advanced, compass integrators, and there are so many things. Okay, so I'll sign in later, okay, because MongoDB Atlas, for MongoDB Atlas only I need to sign in, or else I can just do the installations. Okay, so I can go for view all products as well. I can go for MongoDB premises as well. So there is some downloads option there. I also can go. Community edition and enterprise edition. What is the difference between community edition and enterprise edition? That also I'll explore. So first, let me explore what is view all products. Okay, so what are the products? Okay, try free. So I think I have already an account. Let me log into the account first because it is required. Let me log into my account. Okay, so basically this is my mail ID. So I forgot my password, but I'll still try whether it will work or not. So I gave my password and let me log in. So I think I wrongly typed the passwords. Let me try again. Let me try again. I think it's loading. And yes, so I logged into my MongoDB Atlas, but that I will explain later Atlas. Okay, first let me go to the website, which is MongoDB. Okay, so this is the MongoDB website. I'm going to open, and basically I'm going to explore the products and view all products, and it will open all the products. Okay, so run MongoDB anywhere, fully managed in the cloud. MongoDB Atlas, self-managed MongoDB solution. There are several things provided. So I don't need all this stuffs. I just need to do the installations. Okay, let me go to products again. So what is the first thing? First, we need to download the MongoDB server. Okay. So community edition, I can see there are one community edition, and there is Compass as well, integrators as well, and migrate to MongoDB. That is not required at all. Self-manage enterprise and advanced. Okay, so basically you need to understand what is the enterprise and what is the community. Okay, so enterprise means when you are working for a company, and for company you are going to use MongoDB. So that time you need to use MongoDB Enterprise Edition. Otherwise, you can go ahead and for use Community Edition. That will be fine for you. Okay, so test Enterprise Advanced develop with MongoDB on premise. Let me click this. Let me click this and let me explore what are the things. So MongoDB Enterprise Server download. Okay, so Enterprise is not required. Ops Manager download and DB Enterprise Community Edition. Okay, so Community Edition that also you can just download. So that's the community server. And what are the tools we have? MongoDB Shell is already there. Atlas CLI is already there. MongoDB GUI is already there. So let me install one by one. So MongoDB first I will do the community edition. Let me see what is the enterprise server. Okay, so enterprise advanced MongoDB Enterprise Server is commercial edition of MongoDB, which includes additional capabilities such as in-memory storage and engine for high throughput and low latency. Okay, and like LDP and key-based access controls and encryption for data at rest, something is written. So I think I know need this. Let me go to community edition and let me check. So community version of this distributed database offers a flexible document data model and ad hoc queries. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me install this and I will see like what are the things available. So first we are going for community server. Okay, so basically first one is MongoDB server. So I am going to install MongoDB community server. Okay, so version is this. So that is the latest version. Windows 64 is fine, and MSI or zip file, anything will be fine. So I'm going to install this. I just click on download, and you can say like it will take few seconds of time, and it is 714. Oh my god, it is a big file, so it will take maybe few minutes of my time. So till that I have to wait because I am not pausing the video anyway. Okay, so it is downloading. And meanwhile, I want to go through my channel, guys. So please subscribe to my channel, okay? Because that will be a great motivation for me. And if you have any suggestion or any of the topics you want me to make the videos on, you can give a suggestion in the comment box. I will surely respond to your comment. And I have made few playlists. You can see like I have the bootstrap basics. Okay, there are four videos. You can go through this. And Hugging Face also, I have made few videos which are very useful videos. And Azure tutorial, there is a complete guide of Azure tutorial, like from uh, account login to the whole thing, means databases, services, and whatever the virtual machines and AI Studio, everything I have covered in this Azure tutorial. So in the future days, I will cover another two topics like how you can clear your Azure AI Fundamentals and AI Engineer Associate exam. So for that also, I will going to make some videos, but that I'll do later after getting your response. So please give me a response because that will be helpful for me to understand how I'm making progress and how you guys will make progress. Okay, so still now the download is ongoing. So I have to wait for a few more seconds maybe or maybe 1 or 2 minutes. So I is showing like check internet connection. Okay, let me resume this. I think my internet has some issues and I can see like at this time my internet has full load, so it is taking much time to install. So I think 50% is done. So it will take another few seconds, maybe 1 or 2 minutes to install the whole package. Let me do that. So server is the main thing, guys. Server is the main thing. Without server, you cannot execute. If you have server, then you are good. Okay. So basically, you know, right? So we are installing the SQL Workbench or MySQL in our machine. So that time server is running in a particular port. So in Linux, it is running on I think 3360 that port. So basically that port is dedicated for MySQL servers. So in the configuration file it's written like it will run on this particular port. So similar to Mongo database as well, it will occupy one of your port and it will run. So it is for that only I'm going to install the server. And guys, one more thing, like Atlas I will explain meanwhile. So Atlas is basically MongoDB internet edition. Okay, so for that you no need to install anything in your local. So you will need to simply log into your MongoDB account, and through there you can connect your application and use your database with your application. And it is hosted either in Azure or AWS. So those things I will cover in the next videos maybe. So basically for Atlas you no need any installation to access the database. Maybe you can directly log into Atlas cluster or Atlas login, or else you can use MongoDB for CLI as well. So that I'll explain. Okay, so I think there are 20 seconds remaining, 22 seconds, 21 seconds. So I have to hold this for few seconds. So this will take much time, and another installations like we have to install these things. These are not that much big file, so that will take less time. So I think installation download is done. I need to do installation. Okay, so it is done. So I have to click on this. Okay, so it will open. Preparing to install. Welcome to MongoDB 8.0.1. Okay, SSL 64-bit setup. So you have to do next. I accept and next. So I'm going through complete. Okay, so run service as network service user, run service as a local or domain user, network service user or domain service user. That is fine. Account domain, account password, MongoDB. Okay, run service as a network service user. That is fine. Okay, I'm not changing anything. Install MongoDB Compass. Okay, so it is giving me option to install MongoDB Compass as well. So basically, I will open the Paint. Okay, so see GUI Compass. Okay, so it is giving me option like, do you need the Compass with server or not? Okay, so I am making this checkbox yes, because I need the Compass as well. So I'm clicking next, and then I'm clicking install. So again, it will take a few seconds of your time. I have to click on yes. So again, guys, it will take few seconds of your time, maybe few minutes. So you have to hold for these few seconds. So now it is installing MongoDB Compass. As you can see the pop-up. It might take more time. So I'm waiting for that because it is installing MongoDB Compass as well. Okay, so that is also a big installation, but not as such as MongoDB server. But that is also like around 500 to 600 MBs. So it is installing that, and it is written like this might take a few minutes. So I have to hold till that. So actually this package is much bigger, so for that only it is taking time. So let me do one thing, guys. I think it will take much time. So let me do the installation. Then again, I will come back in the next videos and I'll show you like how I'm getting the pop-up and what are the notifications. So let me come back into the next video and there I will continue the installations. So okay, I'm stopping here because it might be a very long video. So rather than I'm splitting this to two parts. Okay, installation part one and part two. So I'm stopping this video here. I'll come back in the next video. See you soon. Yep. Bye.